Alright, what's up YouTube? So this video is going to be a little bit different. I wanted to give this one a little bit of commentary to kind of explain what I've been working on and to kind of show you guys what I've been doing inside the actual editor rather than just the video. But before we get into it, I just kind of quickly want to say that I'm not a professional game developer. I'm not a professional Unreal user, so if you see mistakes in any of these videos, just bear with me. I'm still learning how to use everything, and I did use it while I was in school and made a couple things, and for my previous videos I know how to use a little bit of it, but not to the extent where a professional would be using it for. So if you have any criticisms, any tips, tricks, or just like to point out stuff, ask questions, go ahead and shoot them down in the comments below, and I will try my best to read those and try to help you guys out and answer as many questions as I can, or take as many criticisms as I can. But anyway, so let's just get into it. I made a blog post on Tumblr down below. I'll have it linked down below in the description, and you guys can check out the disclaimer and the about sections and some other cool stuff that I've added. It's gonna better explain what I've been trying to do with this project, and it's also gonna hopefully help me to keep updated and to keep me working on this. I don't want to just leave it. But anyway, the previous video that I did for YuGiOh was the splash screen inside of Unreal Engine. I remade that, and this is going to be a continuation off of that. This is going to be the first pass at a main menu design that I've been kind of working on. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump into it, hit the play button. So as you can see, I kind of have it as cards as options. So you kind of hover over a card. It comes up like you're about to pull it out of your hand or something. And if you let go, it just goes right back down like you decided not to use it. So that's kind of the idea I had. They kind of have a little idle animation. There's going to be some music, something hopefully in this background. I haven't decided what. I'm not an artist. RC Ranger is supposed to be helping me with the art and design, hopefully. So hopefully he follows through on that. Yeah, these cards are going to follow the anime style. These are going to be actual Yu-Gi-Oh cards rather than just blank sheets with words. But anyway, the overall functionality is supposed to be cards in your hand, and the minute you want to make a selection, just kind of hover over it. And if you hit it, it's going to play this cool little animation as you saw in the video before you. And the idea I had with this was to essentially summon a menu. I know that kind of sounds weird, but bear with me. This is probably going to change, but if the idea flows through like I have it in my head, it might be cool, it might not. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But anyway, that's kind of the idea I had for the main menu. Like I said, this is going to be a first pass. That's pretty much all I got. All the cards do pretty much the same thing, except for like the new game. It takes you to another scene, but all these other cards do pretty much the same thing. I haven't figured out like a design for an options menu, a design for the trade menu, or custom duel, or anything like that. Like I said, hopefully RC Ranger comes through and helps me out, because I am not an artist or a designer, and this is really hard for me to do by myself. This is just, I can do the functionality and the programming side of it, but the look and feel is what I struggle with, and I'm pretty sure you've noticed from my other videos. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got. Like I said, if you follow the blog post, go ahead and check it out, and I'll keep updating it as much as I can with new stuff. And I would also be updating the channel with some more videos like this, hopefully, as I make progress, or anything kind of thing that I feel deserves a video. I'll kind of put it in. So thank you for watching. Go check out the other stuff that I've been working on, and that's all for now, and I will see you guys in the next video.